Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel, Homeopathy Super Sessions by Dr. Jagos. Today we'll be doing a small video on the definitions of drug, medicine and remedy. Well, the reference for this is your Organon textbook, 6th edition, written by Samuel Hahnemann, aphorism number 22. Now let's see what aphorism number 22 tells us. This is an important aphorism because it contains the definition of all the three: drug, medicine, and remedy. I read, but as nothing is to be observed in disease that must be removed in order to change them into health beside the totality of their signs and symptoms. So, in a disease condition, you have to see only the totality of the signs and symptoms. By taking that, then only you can annihilate the disease and get back into a healthy state. And likewise, medicines can show nothing curative besides the tendency to produce morbid symptoms in healthy persons and to remove them in a diseased person. So a medicine is nothing but a remedy, or rather nothing but a substance which will help you to remove the signs and symptoms in a diseased person. It follows on the one hand that medicines only become remedies and capable of annihilating diseases because the medicinal substance, by exerting certain effects and symptoms, that is to say, by producing a certain artificial morbid state, removes and abrogates the symptoms already present to which the natural morbid state we wish to cure. So out here he says that it follows on that the medicines will become a remedy when it can produce certain effects and symptoms which can be removed. And once the symptoms are removed, that medicine is known as the remedy. So now let us see, this is quite confusing because everything is quite mixed up. So I'll make it more clear in the next slide. Now, definition of a drug. It is an agent, substantial or non-substantial, corporeal or incorporeal, having the potentiality to change the state of a health of an individual. So basically, out here, the word agent is basically is a substance which will produce a specific effect. Substantial meaning essential. So you're out here, you have a substance which produces a specific effect, or rather a substance which produces an essential specific effect on the physical body and having the potentiality to change the state of health of an individual. For example, proving of any homeopathic drug. So basically, when you prove any homeopathic drug, it will fall under the definition of the drug. Medicine definition is that it is a drug with the potentiality to cure or palliate, to administer to a sick person. So in a sick individual, when you give the drug, it will either cure or it will either palliate, depending upon the pathology of the case. Basically, it is the prospective diagnosis. That means what? Prospective diagnosis meaning what? Even before you can get the result, you are coming to a conclusion that whatever medicine I have chosen is going to be correct, is going to be effective, and it will cure cases which are curable or palliate cases which are incurable. Therefore, it is a prospective diagnosis. So example, a homeopathic drug based on symptom similarity. When you choose a homeopathic drug based on the totality of the symptoms, and when you administer it, that is known as the medicine. And you come to know, or rather, you have an idea that this medicine will be effective, it is correct, and it will cure or it will palliate the specific case. Well, as remedy, it is the medicine that has proved to be curative in cases which are curable or palliative in cases which are not curable. Here it is the retrospective diagnosis. That means what? After giving the medicine and after the symptoms have been annihilated, either a curative action or a palliative action, depending upon the pathology. If it is reversible, it will be curative. If it's irreversible pathology, it will be palliative. So therefore, it is only after the patient has been cured or palliated, then only you can say that this is the correct medicine, or rather it is the definition of the remedy, which is the retrospective diagnosis. So here the medicine is a prospective diagnosis. Right from the beginning, we will have a notion that this medicine is effective and it will cure or palliate, whereas in a remedy, only after the result has been proved of curative or palliative, then we say it is the retrospective diagnosis. That means, example, after giving the medicine, the patient gets cured, then that medicine administered was the correct remedy. The cross-reference also after the number 152. So that's all. So I hope it becomes clear, the drug, medicine, and the remedy. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe to my channel. There's a channel related exclusive to Organon. It is easy to remember and understand. It is spoken in simple English. It covers important topics of UG and PG syllabus. To date, it has 156 videos. Also important tips how to crack the examinations, theory questions, viva questions, and much more. Thank you very much for your patient listening.